In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey with SurveyMonkey. This handy tool is perfect for gathering feedback, conducting research, or even running polls. Let's dive right in and walk through the process of setting up your survey in 2025. First, you'll need to log into SurveyMonkey. Head over to their website at surveymonkey.com. www.surveymonkey.com. If you already have an account, simply sign in. If you're new to SurveyMonkey, don't worry, creating a free account is straightforward and will take just a few minutes. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, the starting point for all your survey adventures. Now that you're on the dashboard, it's time to kick off your new survey journey. Look for the Create Survey button and give it a click. You'll have a few choices here. You can opt to start from scratch, which is great if you have a unique survey in mind. Alternatively, you can choose from an array of templates designed for various needs, like customer feedback or employee engagement. If you've created a survey before that worked well, there's even an option to copy a past survey to save time and effort. With your basic setup in place, let's move on to adding questions. SurveyMonkey offers flexibility with various question types such as multiple choice, a rating scale, open-ended questions, and drop-downs. So consider what best suits your needs. Once you've selected the type in your question and the relevant answer choices. SurveyMonkey also offers logic features like skip logic or branching. These are powerful tools for tailoring the respondent's journey through the survey based on their previous answers. Next up is customizing the design of your survey to reflect your personal style or brand identity. Navigate to the Design Survey tab, where you'll have options to pick colors, fonts, and layout. If you wish to make it more personalized, you can even add a logo or an image to the survey. It's always a good idea to check your work before sending it out into the world. By clicking Preview and Test, you can see exactly how your respondents will experience your survey, ensuring everything looks just right and functions as intended. Once you're happy with the design and flow, it's time to collect responses. Click on Collect Responses and decide how you want to share your survey. You could distribute a web link, send out email invitations, post on social media, or embed it directly on a website. Choose what best suits your audience and distribution strategy. Finally, analyzing the results is where the insights come to life. Head over to the Analyze Results tab, where you can see the responses in charts, graphs, or tables for easy interpretation. Should you need to work with the data further, exporting it to Excel or CSV is just a click away. Remember, for the best response rates and richer feedback, keep your surveys concise with a mix of closed and open-ended questions. Thanks for watching, and happy surveying!